personal case, if I take an example of internet empowering me, it has always been that one particular information and the power of information which the internet gives me is an immense thing in my life. For instance, if I need to be updated about any particular activity which is happening in my country, which is happening in the world, the internet is a source, because in the college life practically I have no access to the televisions, the newspapers come the next morning. So basically what I have is internet, because India is one such country which has the third largest user base in the world as far as I know, and user base in terms of internet usage. The role which internet is playing in India today is more informative, and it's making the country like India more progressing towards actual democracy, because today citizens are more aware of what is happening. If I take a global scenario like the Arab Spring, which happened a few months ago, and that was basically because of that revolution which internet has caused. And we have seen it in India also in time of Anna Hazare, or in times of Anna Hazare, when people actually got motivated, they all got so united, and that was because of the power of internet, social networking site, the power of forums. Leaving that also, internet has that capability to transform the rural India into an actually economically progressing community. And that is because of the reason of entrepreneurship in general also, because what entrepreneurship in India is gradually holding is because of the internet, and because of this power of internet, the power of information. And that is why it's very important in a developing country like it. A few years back, people didn't really know the power of the consumers. People didn't really know what if they're selling a product. Like nowadays, internet has that variety of 24 hours shopping access, 24 hours anything, any internet banking. So yes, an average consumer, if he has to transfer his funds to his son studying in a college, or an average farmer who wants to know about the product, an average consumer who wants to know who wants to buy a certain product in the midnight. So yes, they have that power to go on the internet, to go on some websites like Amazon and Flipkart to buy certain things. They can before buying out a particular car, before buying a particular mobile phone, I can always go on the internet, I can always Google about that, take reviews, talk to the people about it on the forums. Googling has actually revolutionized the main concept of internet, because nowadays what I see, people do not say that I am going to I'm going to browse on the internet. People usually say I'm going to Google it. So yes, Google has revolutionized the searching for that matter. And yes, Googling has a very big importance, at least in terms of our college life.